All right, let's continue getting you the live updates when today being the second Amrit Snan or the Shahi Snan on the occasion of Mauni Amavasya taking place in Prayagraj, the ongoing Mahakumbh, a spiritual significance where crores and crores of devotees are expected to even break records as they gather to take the holy dip at the Triveni Sangam, rooted in tradition of Maun or silence, as this day symbolizes introspection, self-discipline and devotion. Around 10 crore devotees today are expected to turn up at the ongoing Mahakumbh on the occasion of Mauni Amavasya. However, with the news that had come in early, as we are reporting of a stampede-like situation that was reported at the Mahakumbh, and however, when it comes to people there who have been affected, they have been injured, they have been shifted to the hospital. Few devotees were reportedly injured. Ambulances were quickly dispatched and the affected people were taken to the hospital for treatment, as this incident has also caused a slight delay in the start of the Amrit Snan. As I said, that Amrit Snan on Mauni Amavasya is the most significant ritual of the Mahakumbh. Now, according to news reports that are also coming in, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also said to be monitoring the situation, as he's had a word on the stampede-like situation that broke out, Akansha, in the Mahakumbh on the, when it comes to today's occasion, as significant as it sounds, but it has affected when it comes to today's rituals that are being performed by the devotees. If you can give us a first-hand update on the information till now has come in on this stampede-like situation being reported.
Well, absolutely, Amita. As far as the stampede-like situation is concerned, what we're learning through our sources in the central hospital is that as many as 30 to 40 devotees have received injuries, and all of them are receiving treatment in the central hospital. That is not far from this place. But let me give you a sense of what the situation on the ground looks like. This area earlier was designated for akharas. This was specially for the procession of akharas. But now, as you can see, this has been opened for general public because of the crowd management. There was a lot of crowd in the morning, and now just to make sure that that there is not much crowd in one area, now this specific designated spot for akharas has been opened for public. So after a slight delay, now the Shahi Snan or the Amrit Snan has finally started. Let me go across and speak to few of the people here who have come from different parts of the country. आप कहाँ से आए हैं?
मैं ही मैडम प्रयागराज से हूँ।
अच्छा, आज यहाँ थोड़ा स्टैम्पीड सिचुएशन हो गया, 40 लोगों को चोट लग गई है। आपको व्यवस्था किस तरह लगी? आप कितने बजे आए?
बहुत अच्छा। हमें तो वहीं दिखा, हम लोग तो आए अच्छे से अभी स्नान करके ही आ रहे हैं।
स्नान कर लिया?
बिल्कुल, बहुत अच्छे से स्नान हुआ।
कैसी लगी व्यवस्था?
बहुत बढ़िया।
कौन सा रास्ता लिया आपने, क्योंकि काफी जगह काफी भीड़ है?
नहीं, हम लोग यही संगम से ही आए, संगम द्वार से ही हम लोग आए हैं। संगम द्वार से ही हम लोग प्रवेश किए हैं। अब बिल्कुल अच्छी व्यवस्था थी, हम लोग आए सीधा यहाँ स्नान किया, अभी साहब के सामने खड़े हैं।
क्योंकि कहा जा रहा है काफी जो श्रद्धालु हैं कंफ्यूज हो गए हैं कि कौन सा रास्ता लेना। अभी ये वाला रास्ता भी खोल दिया, यहाँ से अखाड़ों को निकलना था नागा साधु, उसको बटी खोल दिया।
जी, हाँ तो खोल दिए होंगे, हो सकता है जब उधर भीड़ ज्यादा होगी तो खोल दिए होंगे इधर से, और बाकी व्यवस्था तो बहुत बढ़िया है।
अब सामान्य स्थिति है, सामान्य।
पब्लिक आगे आएगी तो ही बाबा लोग आगे आ सकते हैं। सब पब्लिक बाहर रोड पे इतनी सारी खड़ी हुई है अभी, तो पब्लिक आगे आएगी तो ही आगे से सब निकल सकते हैं।
भीड़ तो जबरदस्त है, भीड़
बहुत ज्यादा है। हाँ, so Amita, as many as 8 to 10 crore people are expected to come to Prayagraj today for Mahakumbh Mela, and in the visuals let me show you millions and millions sea of devotees here you can see, and just to control the crowd, now this specific area that was designated for procession of akharas has now been opened for public, and this has happened after the stampede-like situation arose in the morning. And what we are learning is around 40 devotees have received injuries. They all have been shifted to the central hospital, which is more than a kilometer away from this specific location. They all are receiving treatment, but as per our sources in the central hospital, till now no loss of life has been reported so far. So that is a fortunate news, and thankfully no loss of 35 has been reported so far, but as far as the injuries are concerned, 40 people have received injuries and they all are receiving the treatment right now.
What about as far as the information came in that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also taken stock of the situation? The information that is now coming across, Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke to the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath about the situation at the Mahakumbh Mela, and he's also reviewed the developments and has called for immediate support measures. The pictures that are on your screens seem to be unbelievable as we are looking at a sea of pilgrims there today, because the number is running as high as in multiple lakhs, even crores, that are now expected today to take the holy dip. However, the information, Akansha, that is now coming in, of course, the UP Chief Minister has been monitoring the situation. He's been reviewing the preparedness on ground. Yesterday, he had confirmed that when it comes to VIP movements on the occasion of Amrit Snans, that has been stopped. So looking at the current situation, we are told that the Prime Minister has also had a word with the UP Chief Minister.
Well, absolutely. As far as the VIP movement or VIP Snan is concerned, there's absolutely nothing like that today. All the vehicles have been stopped at the start of the Mahakumbh Mela. But yes, the Prime Minister as well as the UP Chief Minister, they are closely monitoring the situation. After a stampede-like situation arose and 40 people have received injuries and they have been moved to the hospital, the Prime Minister asked the UP Chief Minister about what actually led to this stampede and how can it be made sure that such a situation does not arise again. And hence you can see that on the ground now the authorities are making sure that the crowd is managed properly, and hence this wide road that was earlier specified for akharas, akharas were to pass from this area starting 5 o'clock in the morning till around 3:30. Now this the procession of akharas has been completely stopped. In fact, they were moved back. They had already left from akharas. They were moved back, and now this specific area has been opened for public just so that the crowd does not go out of hand and the crowd is properly managed by the authorities, Amita.
All right, but looking at the current situation, because we are looking at more and more devotees, if you can do a quick comparison, Akansha, because you were there on the occasion of the Posh Purnima, which was the first Amrit Snan, and today's images that are now coming in, how have you seen when it comes to the 2 days, how it began with the Amrit Snan?
Well, you see, Amita, on the first day of the Snan, that was on 13th of January, 1.5 crore people had come to Prayagraj for Mahakumbh Mela. The next day, that was the first Shahi Snan or the Amrit Snan. As many as 3.5 crore people had come. Now, yesterday, a day before the second Shahi Snan, 5 crore people were here, and today, as many as 8 to 10 crore people are expected to come to Prayagraj for Mahakumbh Mela on a single day. You can imagine. Now picture this, a temporary city, with the area bigger than New York, with people coming here, and the number of people bigger than the population of a few of the countries. You can imagine the situation here. What people were telling us here is that a lot of devotees were getting confused which way to take to go to Sangam Nose, and that is why there was crowd at one location and there was no crowd at the other, because people were confused which route to take. Now the police authorities here are now guiding people, and that is why this specific route has also been opened for public, so that there is no